everybody, Mr. Mack here, your AP Human Geography teacher for this year. So I wanted to send out a quick video email, one to kind of introduce you guys to this format, because I'm going to send out a lot of video emails over the course of the year. Sometimes that's with homework assignments, sometimes it's instructional videos, sometimes it's words of encouragement, but these are going to be just frequent communications that I'll have with students and parents throughout the course of the year. So I wanted to go ahead and introduce this to you. But the second thing is to clarify a few things about the summer work before the first day of school, just in case you're not going to make it to the Wolverine worship or prep night, or if you're just kind of curious and you wanted to know. So point number one, the big thing, summer work is due on your first day of class. Whether you have me on Monday, the first day of school, the 14th, or Tuesday, the second day of school, the 15th, your summer work Google Slides is due that day. But your MAP test, and this is point number two, your MAP test is not until your second day of class. That's either going to be on Wednesday or Thursday. So that MAP is actually going to be almost exactly what you see on your summer work. It's going to actually be 3 different maps that you're going to be doing on that MAP test. 2 of the maps are the exact maps, and you will just need to label them the exact maps. I may switch up the number order of the questions, but then the third is just going to be with those locations that I've told you to know ahead of time. And that sort of leads me to my third point. You may be wondering, why is it that we need to know all of this information about maps before we get into the class? And the third point is that while this is a geography class, it is not a world geography class. World geography is an awesome subject. I taught it for 4 years whenever I used to teach at Slidell High School. But what human geography is more about the systems of the earth and the way that humans interact with the earth. And specifically what we're going to learn about is how humans use the environment that God gave them, the environments that they live in, that God sort of gave them to work with. How is it that we use and modify those environments, and what does that tell us about the people who live in those environments? So you're going to need to come into this class already knowing where stuff is in the world. You're going to need to know a lot of very basic geographic skills, because we are going to hit the ground running on day 1, day 2, day 3 of class. We are going to be rolling because this is an AP class. That means advanced placement. So this class, we're going to cover some really intricate concepts, and just simply knowing where stuff is going to be the base level of what you need whenever you come in here on the first day. I can't wait to meet you all. Some of you I already know a little bit. Most of you I'm going to get the opportunity to meet either on prep night or on the first day of class. AP Human Geography is an absolute blast. I'm so glad you have chosen to take the challenge of being a part of this class. It is a lot of work, but it is extremely rewarding, and we're going to learn so much about the earth that God made and the people that He so dearly loves.